Hi guys, welcome back to my channel YS Gamers. Today Sai is not there because he is in his home. Because this is my own channel. Today I am only doing my channel back. Okay, today's channel is I gonna open my new nerf allied bluster. Wait a minute. See, big, big, big one. This is my big nerf gun. Okay, I gonna open this. Wait a minute, there is no cameraman. I should only do the full things. Okay, can you see it? Okay, I gonna open this. Don't play with these sharp things. I gonna open. My new nerf gun. Okay, where are the bullets? I can't see. You gonna read this paper? You gonna read this paper? I don't want it. Bullets. I had the bullets. Bunch of bullets. Okay. Rubber band. I am removing it. This stuff to open. I will stop the camera and I will reload all bullets. I will show it afterwards. Please subscribe our channel, please. Hello. Is it visible? Okay, I gonna stop this video. Okay. Okay, see this? Nice gun or not? I think it is nice gun. Wait a minute. You are seeing this. I can reload it. No. Now it is loaded. Wait a minute. Let's see you. It is difficult. I have reloaded this before. See. Very closely. You see the bullet? You see? What the hell is this? See, 0 bullets. 0 bullets. Very nice and very fast. Okay, I should pick up the bullets and I will keep again. I will show it in the very better place next time. Okay. I will show it in a nice better place.